once you've got your picture drawn in with all the lines with your Sharpie pen, you're going to fold it in half and turn it around and fold it in half again. Try and be careful, get your lines straight. They're only meant to be used as a guide, but it will help you when you come to draw it out. And just to make it really obvious, you might want to draw a pencil line down the fold again. That will just help us to see where, oops, sorry about that, things should be. So that's my middle point. I'm going to put a dot there because that's quite useful. So on my sheet of paper, I've marked where approximately, I haven't measured, where the midpoint will be. This midpoint lines up with this one here. What I'm going to do is use, this is an HB pencil, you should have one in your pencil case, to draw these, very loosely draw these lines in, so I can see that this V is going to come, this V here where it falls, it's going to come about there. I'm going to have the house there, it's going to come just a little bit above, and then it's going to go up, and that's one, that's this mountain here, and that's that V is going to be approximately, I think actually it needs to come just up very slightly about there. That's my rubber. Now again, I'm going to work quickly because I just want to have an impression. I'm not trying to replicate this photograph perfectly. I just want to have a feel for the house. And I'm just going to be lightly sketching where I think things might come, not with too much detail. Because I'm going to be using an oil pastel and you're going to be using pastels as well to draw in, so too much detail wouldn't be helpful. It would actually make it much harder. And then I've got these, that's my stone walls there. This then becomes the bottom of where the trees will be, and these are going to come, nope, I don't know if you can see there, just to here. I'm going to move that over there where I can still see it, and I'm going to roughly bring in some different tree shapes. This is going to sweep down to there, which I'm now going to need to lift slightly because of where I've put my trees, but that's okay. It's fine to do that. I'm just going to take it all the way up to there. And then put the mountains in the distance. So now these are going to come to a slightly sharper point. I'm taking a little more care with where these will be. That needs to be just about there. And come down, and then there should be another one about there. All right, coming together. Then I've got these few shapes that I put in earlier.